Hello friends, today we would like to introduce a new type of patented adjustable spigot used for the stairs. The core swivel block is available in two material options, nylon and fiberglass composite or stainless steel. The core technology lies in the swivel block placed at the bottom of the opening. The unique swivel block design supports 270 multi-directional fine-tuning. There are grooves on both sides of the support block with a circular hole in its center. The main body of the glass railing spigot has two cylinders on its inner side. At the preset angle, the support block can be fitted into the cylinders via the notches, and then rotate freely in the scenario where the glass railing is installed on stairs. The support block can rotate in response to the angle changes of the stair steps. Welcome to your inquiry.